Let's learn about compilers. Compiler processes the statements that we write in the programming language and translate it into machine language or code. Let us learn about how to install a compiler. Today I will show you how to install Dev C++. First, open your browser and search for Dev C++. As you can see, you will find a website called sourceforge.net. Click on it and click on download. It will take a couple of minutes to download. There are many compilers available. You can download any of one like VS Code, Dev C++, and you will also find many online compilers. After downloading, click on it. Now select a language and click on I agree and click on install. It will take a couple of seconds. And click on finish. Now select your font and click on next and OK. Then click on file and open a new file. And if you want to change the font size or font, you can click on tools, editor options, and you can change the size and font as you wish. Now we will learn how to write a code and what is the basic syntax. Now I'll write a basic code. Now, in the first line, IOStream is a header file which enables us to take input from the user through keyboard and display the output data to user. And include directive enables us to take all the information about certain term which we used in the program. Lines that begin with hash are pre-processed before the program is compiled. Here, the second line tells the computer to use the names in IOStream header file in a standard way, and it ends with semicolon. It indicates that it is the end of particular statement, and all the statements in C++ are ended with semicolon. In the third line, here int means integer and main is a function. The parentheses here indicate that main is a function. The opening and closing braces are the body of the function main. Here, cout is used to display data to the user, and the data to be displayed is written in double quotations, and the statement should end with semicolon. And return 0 is to tell the computer that the program has terminated successfully. Now, let us execute the program. The program which we have written in this compiler is called the source code. Now, let us save it. Click on File, Save As, and you can give any name to it. And then compile the program and run it. So, as you can see in the output, we have got hello world. So, whatever written in the double quotations in the cout statement will be printed in the output. So, this is the basic program of C++. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.